The woodpecker, a bird renowned for its distinctive behaviors, has a chisel-like bill adapted for drilling into wood. With a shock-absorbing structure, they peck trees to uncover insects, store food, and communicate through drumming. Their barbed, sticky tongue helps extract prey. They play a vital ecological role by creating nesting cavities in trees, benefiting other species. Woodpeckers inhabit various environments worldwide, from forests to urban areas, showcasing their adaptability. Conservation efforts are crucial due to habitat loss and climate change impacts. These unique birds contribute to ecosystem health while captivating observers with their remarkable adaptations and rhythmic drumming.